Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.
Hi Ate May, happy birthday. Sexy na, mabait pa, wala na akong masasabi sa iyo. Happy birthday. Sana wag ka magbago sa pagiging mabait mong asawa, pagiging mong mami. Happy birthday. God bless. Say happy birthday, Chris.
Happy birthday. Hope you're having a good day.
Happy birthday, Ate Anna May. May the Lord bless you with strong body and good health. Keep safe always. God bless.
Hi Ate Ana, happy birthday sa'yo. I wish you all the best. At mag-ingat kayo palagi dyan sa Dubai na kuya. At more birthdays to come and God bless you guys. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Anna May. God bless you always. And you have many more birthdays to come. Happy birthday.
Hello, Carl Quinones po. Happy birthday po kay Tita Ana. Sana ma-appreciate nyo po itong video na gagawin ni Tito Paul. See you soon po.
Happy birthday, Tita.
God bless po sa inyo.
More blessings to come. Bye-bye. Goodbye.
Good morning, Mare and Pare, dyan sa inyo sa Dubai. Gusto ko lang i-wish ng happy birthday ang aking inaanak na si Amera. Amera, be a good girl always to your mommy and daddy and brother and sister, okay? I know, I can see in your daddy's video that you're very nice girl. And I hope someday magkita tayo. Happy birthday uli and God bless. I love you.
Happy birthday, Annabelle Polo. Miss you. Our 8 years na pagkakaibigan. Sabi ko lang happy birthday. Miss na miss ko na kayo. Mabalos. Have a good health. Happy life. God bless you. Love you.
Yo, what's up? Boss Kings TV nga pala at gusto ko lang batiin ng happy birthday si Annabelle TV. Siyempre ang may bahay ni Lods Mayben Polo. At long time no see at long time dito sa live stream. Sana magkita-kita ulit tayo yung mga YouTube family natin. Siyempre at yon, mag-iingat kayo palagi at ako nandito lang ako. Mahal ko kayong lahat at God bless and happy birthday. Mabuhay ka habang buhay. Bye. Boss Gigs TV out. Peace out. Yeah.
Happy birthday, Ate Anna May. Wish you all the best. God bless. Burger Moment!
Hi, Ma'am Anna May. Happy birthday. Today is your birthday. Enjoy your day. Wish you all the best. And naalala ko yung nag-YouTube tayo. And grabe yung effort natin. Di ba? Bago pa natin. So, ngayon parang chill na lang. Chill na lang. So, ayun. Enjoy your day. Wish you all the best. Stay healthy. Stay what you are. Be kind. And ayun. So, God bless you, Ma'am Anna May. Happy birthday.
Magandang gabi po mga ka-friendster ko. Ito po si Chinito Intal. Yan. Meron lang po akong babatiin na naging special din po para sa akin. Siya po ay nasa Dubai. Birthday po niya kaya babatiin ko po siya ng happy birthday po Ate Annabelle Polo. Yan. Siguro wala na akong masasabi kasi masaya na po kayo ngayon dahil alam ko magkakasama kayo ng buong pamilya nyo dyan sa Dubai. Keep safe po lagi, mag-iingat po lagi and more successful pa po sa career nyo po. Dito lang po kami mga kaibigan nyo. Lagi ko po kayo na aalala, yung mga samahan po natin sa YT, kayo po dalawang mag-asawa, napakabait nyo po. Kaya ito lang masasabi ko, happy birthday po ulit Ate Annabel. God bless and more successful sa inyong career ni Kuya Mayben Polo. God bless po. Paalam.
Happy birthday, Mommy. Thank you for always being there for me when I need someone to talk about my problems. That's all. Thank you and happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mommy. All I want to say is you've been always my greatest inspiration, and thank you for your care, support, and sacrifices for our family. I hope you have a blessed day, and always remember we love you. Happy birthday again, Mommy. And enjoy your special day.
Flying kiss kay Mami. Flying kiss. Wow!
Vic, happy birthday. Sana marami ka pang birthday darating. Love you.
Iiyak na eh.
Iyak na si nanay.
Uy, tissue daw.
Sana miss you, bunso ko. Ikaw naiyak ka na, mabatid ka lang eh. Dapat masaya ka, hindi yung iiyak ka.
Nami-miss niya na si tita.
Namimiss mo si Namik. Uwi ka daw. Birthday niya. Oh, naiyak na, mabati na ng birthday mo. Umiyak na siya. Hi, Ga. Hi, Sis. Happy birthday. Basta lagi mo tandaan, nandito lang ako, kapatid mo. Naway maging masaya ka sa birthday mo. Ingat kayo palagi dyan ang buong pamilya mo. Naway bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng mahabang buhay. Thank you sa lahat, ya. Miss you, love you. Nanay, kayo na.